welcome to the Honda stand. We're here at the NEC show 2016 and just want to give you a bit of a flavour of what's here on the stand. We're launching the brand new 2017 Fireblade. We've got an increased range for the CB1000 and also we've got an XADV adventure scooter over on behind me. So we'll go and have a little look around the stand in a second to give you a flavour of what's going on here at the NEC 2016. Thank you. Excellent concept bikes here that we have before us. Never been seen before in the UK. First seen in Milan just a few weeks ago. So we're very proud to have these on the stand. CBR1000RR race focused concept bike. Already got a superb engine inside it. Just increased size wheels, race focused, and do what it says on the tin. So Michelli's concept bike, if you like, with a thank you from our R&D department to him and in his memory. Again, a concept bike, we don't know whether these will ever make it into production, but it's just our R&D having a bit of fun doing what they do best, actually developing concepts that may or may not hang on the high street. No, we're going to give it enjoyable, we're good.
Put that in, it individually takes shots, but you leave it together.
You saw the CBR1000RR Rally that we have here. This is the current 250 Rally for 2017. Absolutely awesome stock bike that we're using for green laning or general commuting. And we've now introducing the CBR1000R Rally for 2017. So this bike essentially has got greater suspension travel, much bigger front disc brakes, ABS with switchable rear ABS can be turned off, LED lighting, a slightly increased fuel tank than the standard his little brother, and will be with us in early 2017. So CBR1000R Rally, looking at its big brother over there, which is actually what we're using in Dakar racing. You can see some of the design keys that come from that bike that you see here for 2017. So CBR1000R Rally, exciting product from 2017. So the next bike I want to show you on the stand is the XADV scooter. So X being adventure in our range, it is not the same as an Integra or NC750X. Has much greater travel for the suspension, slightly bigger wheels, but it is a DCT bike. It's adventure focused, which can go off-road a little bit, but it means it can go anywhere on the road as well. So you get a full face helmet, adventure helmet under the seat at the back. Also has a 12-watt socket in the rear as well and a little LED light to show you what's going on. 5-stage screen, adjustable screen, so you can set that for whatever height you want. And you can have a look at the clocks in a second. The clock's just set by all the information you need when you get on. I also want to just highlight the Africa Twin. Africa Twin's been with us now just over 12 months. We first debuted this last year. We've had an absolute stonking season. So it's back Euro 4 for 2017. DCT again is taken off extremely well for us, and it's still a unique proposition from Honda. Dual sequential transmission, does mean it's 2 clutches operating a manual gearbox. That can be done manually by flicking the levers, or it can be set in a drive mode. They'll do it for you. So DCT, Africa Twin, or as a standard bike, whichever one you want. Great all-rounder, but you can go adventuring and go off-road. We couldn't possibly go around the stand without showing you the CB1000RR race replica bike from Marc Marquez, who's won the World Championship this year, and also the CB650F, which is actually the on-road production bike that you can buy in the UK and around the world. They're only making 213 of these bikes. We have one here on the stand for you to have a look at. So do come and see the RCB production.
I've organised American speaking tours myself, and I organised my own UK tour about 3 years ago. I did like 10 nights all around the country in 14 days, and I was on the road, and then it was much more efficient project. Because the children, they're not interested in motorbikes, they're not interested in travel.
The flagship for Honda, the Honda Fireblade. I'm very lucky to be able to show this as preview today at the NEC, the SP2 Fireblade. So this is the SP2 Fireblade. We also have a standard SP Fireblade, and over there we have the standard Fireblade, all with ABS. With the SP2 it's going to be an extremely track focused bike. You'll notice that we've updated the clocks. In fact, 95% of the bike has changed. Reduced the power to weight ratio by 15 kilograms we've knocked off it. Increased the power slightly, so the power to weight ratio is just phenomenal. I'll ask you to take a look around the bike, read up on the spec, absolutely amazing. Thank you for having a tour with us around the Honda. Very lucky to be able to show this as preview today. The NEC.co.uk for any fire. So this is the SP2